In today's video, I am going to give you my top 10 tips for wealth creation. Tips to building your financial empire. But before we get started, bear in mind that determination and financial discipline are the keys to success in this game. It's not just about luck or a magic formula. It's about staying focused, putting in the hard work, and making smart decisions. Welcome back to Penny Investor Megamind, the channel where we unlock the secrets to wealth creation. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest tips, strategies, and insights that can help you achieve your financial goals. Tip number 1: break free from financial dependence. Relying solely on someone else for your financial well-being can leave you feeling trapped and vulnerable. This is especially true for individuals in relationships where financial dependence becomes a barrier to making positive changes. If you're considering becoming a stay-at-home parent, it's important to have open discussions with your partner about ways to maintain your own financial independence and create wealth in your personal capacity. Remember, building your own financial empire starts with taking control of your own destiny. Tip number 2: prioritize your own financial stability before assisting others. As the number of individuals caught in the sandwich generation increases, many find themselves torn between funding their children's education and providing financial support to their aging parents. To break free from this cycle of dependency, it is crucial to secure your own financial future by prioritizing your needs first. Keep in mind that while your children have the option to borrow money for their higher education, you cannot borrow funds for your retirement. Tip number 3: kickstart savings with your first paycheck. Don't wait until a couple of months to start saving. Begin setting aside a portion of your very first paycheck. Why, you ask? Well, it's like planting a seed that grows into a mighty financial tree. Starting early in your career helps you build solid money habits and boost your financial well-being. Time and the magical power of compound growth can turn those early investments into a treasure trove down the line. So, consider making investing your career's sidekick right from the get-go. Tip number 4: consistently invest in a diverse portfolio. Creating lasting wealth is all about spending less than you earn and putting the extra cash into a well-diversified investment mix over time. There's no overnight shortcut to financial success, so let's get strategic. Align your spending with what you can afford and create a space in your budget to put away some money for the future. True prosperity lies in mastering the art of financial discipline, managing expenses, avoiding irrelevant expenses, and directing surplus earnings into an investment plan that matches your long-term goals. Remember, wealth is what you don't squander. Tip number 5: learn how to make money while you sleep. Time is a currency we all share equally, 24 hours a day, with no refunds or exchanges. Active income is what you trade your time and skills for, and it comes with a built-in time limit. Instead, get involved in ways to make passive income, the income that's not tied to the clock. It's like having a money-making machine that doesn't clock out. With passive income, you're granted more freedom, choices, and, importantly, time. Plus, it's scalable, potentially growing your earnings over time. It's your ticket to financial independence, reducing your reliance on a single job and opening doors to other exciting investment opportunities. Tip number 6: start your marriage by depending on one income. Many couples have confessed that this is one of the best pieces of advice they've ever received. In a situation where both spouses are working and earning money, it is advised that they both depend on one person's income and save the other, and when kids start coming in, they are going to be happy they made that decision. Tip number 7: prioritize workplace atmosphere over paychecks. When contemplating a job change or a new work opportunity, don't let dollar signs be the only deciding factor. Being stuck in a toxic work environment or subjected to an unhealthy company culture can have lasting effects on your well-being and mental health. Before you consider taking a new job, please look into the culture, values, and work ethics of a prospective company to ensure they align with your values before making a move. Tip number 8: if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. As old as that saying goes, it is still as true as it ever was. A lot of high-interest rate investment opportunities that are advertised are usually fraudulent investment schemes and Ponzi schemes. These schemes thrive in economic conditions where people are desperate to make money, most of these schemes promise quick return on investment, as you can double your money the next day or in the next week. So when they are offering what is way more than the market value, you should invest with great caution. Tip number 9, always understand what you are signing up for. Before making a purchase, be it property, a vehicle, or anything substantial, be sure to read and understand every detail in the contract or invoice. Overlooking crucial terms and conditions can prove costly in the long run. Some vehicle purchase deals might come with very enticing credit options like paying by installment over a long period of time, which might sound beneficial to you, but you might end up paying more for the vehicle in the long run, so always understand what you are signing up for. Tip number 10, exercise caution with friendly loans. Think twice before extending interest-free loans to family or friends. It's not just about the financial risk of not getting your money back. Such loans can damage your relationship with that person when they refuse to keep to their end of the deal. Moreover, being readily available to lend them money can cause irresponsible money management on their part. Be mindful of maintaining a healthy balance between financial assistance and encouraging responsible financial behavior. And that's our top 10 tips for embarking on a journey towards wealth creation. Remember, financial growth begins with small steps and smart choices. Start saving early, invest wisely, and prioritize your well-being. It's time for you to take charge of your financial destiny. Hit that subscribe button and like this video if you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more insightful tips and strategies to navigate your way to financial prosperity. Let's build a wealthy future together, and I'll see you in our next video.